Hi everyone, so if you've been following me on Instagram, which you should, you know that my AirPods Pro are at Switch right now to get replaced because they suffered the crackling issue. You also know that I will be putting out some true wireless earbuds content in the coming weeks, and this is one of them. This is a premium copy AirPods Gen 2 that I bought because I was very curious. Are the 9,000 peso AirPods actually worth it compared to this 500 peso AirPods Gen 2 clone? And that's exactly what we're going to find out in this video. Hi, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Today, we're going to review this AirPods Gen 2 premium copy, but before we go to review, if you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and sharing it on social channels. 93% of people watching my videos are not subscribed. Come on, if you keep on coming back to this channel, just subscribe. It's free. Come on. Alright, so without further ado, let's go straight to the meat. First off, sound quality. So like I said a while ago, I do have an AirPods Pro, but I had an AirPods Gen 1 before, and I know for a fact that they sound like these regular AirPods. And so that is exactly what I'm comparing this AirPods Premium copy to. If you're expecting that it is going to be the same, sorry to disappoint, but it is very far away. Like, these AirPods Premium copy sound, lack of a better word, terrible. Like, I'm not an audiophile or something, but you can definitely tell that the bass, highs, and mids are very bad and lacking. It's also absolutely lacking in clarity, and the regular earpods are absolutely better. And by the way, I'm a guy who considers regular earpods as an absolutely fine earbuds. They have good sound and they have really clear microphone. Which, speaking of microphone, here's how it sounds compared to the regular earpods. Hello, test mic. This is the AirPods clone sound quality. I don't think it sounds nice. So take it for what you hear right now. Next up, this is the regular Lightning AirPods sound quality or microphone quality. These are very clear. Like, I know for a fact that songs have been recorded in this microphone because it's just so good. Like what you just heard, the regular AirPods sounds so much better and clearer, while the premium copy sounds super muffled and the clarity of my words is just not there. If you will be using this to take classes or meetings, the other person will definitely ask you to repeat what you just said. So in terms of the audio quality and microphone quality, you really get what you pay for. As for software, on the other hand, whenever you open the case near your device, it does pop up the AirPods Connect prompt, and pairing it is as easy as the original one. Unfortunately, it only connects well to iPhones and iPads. I tried connecting it to the Mac and it always disconnects. When it is paired with your iPhone, you will be able to access its settings by going to Bluetooth and hitting the info icon. The settings are 99% the same as the original AirPods, but it doesn't actually remember the setting you put the double taps on the side are whenever you pair it with another device. So speaking of double taps, they actually do work, but it's just not consistent, but it does work. Also, when you pair your original AirPods with an Apple device, not this, it automatically shows on all your Apple devices as a sound output. This AirPods Premium copy does not copy that. Authentic AirPods also has a feature now that lets it automatically switch from one Apple device to another depending on what device you are using, as long as they're connected to the same Apple ID. This premium copy AirPods does not do that. You always have to pair them manually one by one every time you switch to another device, just like a regular Bluetooth headset. So if you have multiple Apple devices, this is a deal breaker because Bluetooth pairing is such a hassle. But if you only use one Apple device, just like an iPhone, then this feature will not be an issue. Next is battery. Now, from the moment I started playing around with this device, I have not charged it at all. Now, I cannot say that I've been using it all day long for the past week because the sound quality just bothers me so much. But I had no need to charge it yet because its battery is still, well, 74% for the case as of filming. Now, I'm actually very impressed with the battery life of this. Also, in regards to charging, it actually supports wireless charging. Like, Apple literally charges 2,000 pesos more to get the AirPods that has wireless charging, which I think is super life-changing feature for AirPods. It's just so easy to leave it in a charging pad and that's it. Pick it up whenever you need it. It's just that Apple puts a big premium over that wireless charging feature, which just sucks. And then for the build and aesthetics, it absolutely looks like the original AirPods, like no doubt about it. The opening and closing mechanism is very satisfying. The AirPods are held by magnets and it's built really well. Then going inside the box, when you open it, the quality is not up to par as the original one, but they gave you, I'm assuming, a fake lightning to USB-A cord. As for my conclusion, personally, I would not buy this AirPods premium copy just because of its audio and microphone quality. I also use many Apple devices like an iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, so switching from device to device is a lot easier with original AirPods. And that is because you only need to pick your sound output and your AirPods connect to the device that you are using. With the premium copy, you have to manually connect every time you switch devices, and it also doesn't work with the Mac. But if you only have one Apple device to use this AirPods, and you're not too picky about sound and microphone quality, and you just want to have the aesthetic of having AirPods on your ears, then this premium copy will do the job. I hope you guys liked this review and enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also, let me know in the comments below, are these premium copy AirPods worth it for you? Or would you rather spend and go with the original AirPods route? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, shout out to Colleen for following me on Instagram. And if you guys want a shout out as well, go follow me on my 3 channels, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, with the username @Mauyoni. Other than that, I have other educational videos such as where to buy the cheapest iPhone, when is the best time to buy an iPhone, and what is NTC, and many more. So make sure to check my other videos or click on this playlist right here. And that's it. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.